I'm here with Daryl and Tracy Kirby of Kirby Family Farm. So Daryl, tell me a little bit about the farm.
Well, we found the train in the woods, and I went home, asked my wife if I could keep her, and she said yes. So now we've started developing the farm, and our plan is to build a 173-acre classroom for children.
So you have an Easter egg hunt happening here tomorrow. What makes it the world's largest annual hunt?
Over 120,000 Easter eggs. And we're expecting a great big crowd, and we've got 173 acres to enjoy, and so that's what makes it the largest annual.
What else will be here that kids can enjoy?
Okay, we have our baby hunt, which we're planning on kicking off at 11. It's for babies to 3-year-olds. And then we'll have our big hunt starting from 4-year-olds to 10-year-olds. And then we have baby animals, baby puppies that you can actually take home with you. We have bounce houses galore, face painting.
So I hear there's going to be some prizes. Can you tell me about those?
Definitely, we have been going crazy finding all kinds of neat stuff. And what we're doing is every child will have the same opportunity to win the prizes through drawings.
So tell me where people can go to find out more information.
Okay, they could go to our website, kirbyfarm.com, or they could call our number 352-812-7435, and we'll answer any questions that they have.
So coming out to Kirby Family Farm in Williston tomorrow for the world's largest annual Easter egg hunt. For On the Town, I'm Cassidy Pinkston.